Welcome to Tallemenco's Designing for Energy Efficient Irrigation one-day workshop overview. This course is suited to the more experienced designers and auditors in the irrigation industry.
Selecting the most energy efficient pump is only the first step in maximising pumping system efficiency. But all pumps these days are very efficient. So what's the difference between pump efficiency and pumping system efficiency?
The answer lies in the hydraulic efficiency of the whole pumping system. When designing for improved irrigation energy efficiency, especially for future farm upgrades, improving hydraulic efficiency alone could yield more than half of the total potential energy savings in an irrigation pumping system.
The Designing for Energy Efficient Irrigation workshop establishes irrigation models that the student can relate to, then quantifies energy efficiency parameters relating to those models. The modelling process establishes a dollar value for every metre head pumped, according to energy tariffs and pumped volume. The course introduces basic pumping and hydraulic concepts, and builds on those to lead the student to the optimum pumping energy efficiency outcome. The course looks at the operation of every item from pumps, pipelines, valves, filters, irrigators, and VFDs, which are then valued according to pressure head used or potentially saved. Life cycle costing is then applied to all identified system energy savings, which can be worth thousands of dollars for irrigators. The energy costing process is made easy with free issued software. The software can be used for both electric and diesel-powered pumps. It generates amortized or annualized costs based upon programmable variables such as net present value and electricity price index. An important aspect of energy costing today is sustainability. The software automatically calculates annual tonnage of CO2 emissions for both electric and diesel pumping. Additional free issued software packages designed by Tallemenco are used to assist in identifying head loss reduction and to assess energy savings and life cycle energy costs. The flagship software includes a pump selection package which calculates not only the correct duty point, but annual operating and life cycle costs, as well as carbon emissions. If you're considering installing solar power for your irrigation pumping system, this course is a must. By optimising your existing pumping energy requirements, you can reduce the number of solar panels required, thereby saving additional tens of thousands of dollars. Each session includes energy-saving tutorials, and the workshop is packed with practical case studies with energy savings and return on investment examples. All farm upgrades should commence with an audit to determine the present operating efficiency. The course concludes with a session on how to potentiate the energy savings from identified pumping head loss reduction, including hints for energy auditing and tips and pitfalls on pressure and flow measurements. Designing for Energy Efficient Irrigation is a one-day workshop with 7 hours of class time. The course is endorsed by Irrigation Australia for professional development and presented by Rob Welke, a pumping and hydraulic specialist with over 50 years' experience in pumping energy efficiency assessment. Elevate your business and book your course today.